My dear listeners, I greet you wherever you are this moment. I found it imperative to inform you that Tinubu's impeachment is in progress and in the process. But to Tinubu, you see, you people don't know him. Nigerians doesn't know Tinubu. That Tinubu did not come for good. Tinubu have not anything reasonable for Nigerians. The whole mind and thought of Tinubu is to destroy every part of Nigeria. Make sure that everyone in Nigeria dies. Then it will remain him and the fallenness. Now he is crying. Tinubu is crying because some lawyers have dragged him to Federal High Court for impeachment. They have taken his matter to Federal High Court for impeachment. And Tinubu is crying and begging the Federal High Court judge not to remove him, not to impeach him. Did you now see that Tinubu knows everything he is doing? All the evil he is doing to Nigerians, all the evil he is doing to Biafrans. Did you know that Tinubu is aware of them, that Tinubu did not come for anything good? Why is he crying? Why is he begging? Meanwhile, at the first place, when the impeachment saga started, Tinubu told the upper house and the lower house that nobody can impeach him. He cannot be impeached by anybody. On the other hand, Tinubu is more than over 200 million Nigerians. He has money more than anybody in Nigeria. He's more learned more than anybody in Nigeria, more educated, he's the youngest president on earth. And at the same time, Tinubu acquire all the skills. He's a lawyer, he's a general, he's an Air Force, he's a Marine. So, whatever quality you need is in Tinubu, and this makes him unimpeachable. Nobody can impeach him. But why is he crying this morning? Because the reality of the impeachment is in the process, and on the long run, those that makes his mind strong have removed themselves from behind him, and he can see his falling. It is going to be very great. Greater than you think. Go and excavate your ground and find out. Tinubu urges Federal High Court judge not to remove him. When you say urge, What do you mean? It means beg, plead. He is guilty. Tinubu or Tinubu is guilty of everything. You talk of embezzlement, you talk of criminality, you talk of, bandits, banditry, terrorism, name them. How many people that died recently in Ebonyi State? And at the same time, how many people that died in Yoruba land this week? But Tinubu is not talking about it. He and the illegal IGP and illegal CDS, Chief Defense Staff of Nigeria, all of them are illegal. Everything in Nigeria is illegality. Jaga jaga. This is why, since you people don't want to reason, let me now show you something. Tinubu was disgraced with his illegal IGP, Egbetekun, and Musa, his chief defense staff in Canada. Canada judge disgraced Tinubu and entire Nigeria. In fact, because of Tinubu, no Nigerian anywhere in the world that have good record. Ịmakwa na ndị be anyị sị na ọ na-eme ofu mkpịsị aka rụta mmanụ ya ozuo ọha. When you use your one finger and take pomade or cream, it will reach all your 10 fingers as you want to apply it. So, what Tinubu committed, the whole Nigeria are suffering it today. But you will not listen to me. And what I'm saying will not make sense to you. As long as you and Tinubu are concerned, Nigeria is not a country. The only solution is to divide it. Tinubu and the Fulanese have destroyed Nigeria completely. And why Tinubu is not fighting Fulanese and are busy killing people all over Nigeria? I said, see the one that happened in Ebonyi State, Isielu, recently. Why is it so that Tinubu is not fighting Fulani terrorists? Because they are one. They believe in one thing. And because Nigeria is not a country, it must be divided. So let Tinubu go back to where he is coming from Guinea. That is where he is coming from. He's a foreigner in Nigeria. Forget about those who said that Tinubu joined hand to fight for Nigeria independence. Where is the dividend of democracy from his hand? Where is the evidence to prove? This is somebody talking about what he or she doesn't know. If Tinubu have contributed for Nigeria independence, there is no similitude to demonstrate or to attest that there is an iota of that statement by Tinubu signed as a president of Nigeria. He will not be busy destroying everywhere if he has suffered to make sure that Nigeria have independence. So, let Fulanese go back to Futatoro, Futajalon, Senegal, where they are coming from. Fulanese are foreigners in Nigeria. And this is why Tinubu joined them, because then he knew that they are not Nigerians indigenous. When they finish killing Nigerians for the foreigners to settle, then the killing will stop. I'm telling Nigerian youths today that their killings is from the politicians. These old expired politicians they are having. You see, a local government chairman is 80 years. A councillor, 120 years. Governor, you must reach 140, 130 years. Then president is 165 years. Tinubu is 165 years. But he brought his political age. You know, he's a manipulator and very deceptive. Tinubu didn't go to university. He said he went to Oxford University. He went to Georgia University. When Georgia was not there, he did his NYC in Nigeria. And the whole investigation shows that it was a woman certificate that Tinubu was using bragging. Tinubu didn't know road to university.